Have you ever thought about something you never searched for, typed, or said out loud, only to open Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and see that exact subject waiting for you? Maybe you thought about an old friend and suddenly your feed showed you a video about reconnecting with someone from your past. Maybe you questioned your career and the next post told you to trust your purpose and begin again. For a moment, it feels like your phone can read your mind. But your phone is not a crystal ball, and the algorithm is not a spirit guide. Social platforms study behavior. They notice what you search for, save, share, replay, and scroll past. They notice how long you pause, which comments you read, and what subjects repeatedly capture your attention. You may forget those tiny interactions, but the system remembers them. With enough information, an algorithm does not need to read your mind. It only needs to become good at predicting what you might think about next. The algorithm also learns more than your interests. It learns which emotions hold your attention. It learns whether you pause for content about rejection, relationships, money, fear, healing, or awakening. This is where technology, psychology, and spiritual meaning overlap. Your brain naturally recognizes patterns. Once a subject becomes emotionally important, you begin noticing it everywhere. The subject may have already surrounded you, but now your attention is sensitive to it. That explains part of the experience, but it does not make every moment meaningless. A song can be selected by an algorithm and still help you recognize something true. A video can appear because of your viewing history and still reach you when you are finally ready to understand its message. So ask yourself, what was I thinking? What was I feeling? What pattern keeps appearing? Does this message make me clearer, or does it make me fearful and obsessive? A meaningful sign should guide you toward awareness, not trap you in paranoia. Every search is a question. Every save is a signal. Every replay is a vote. Your feed is a ritual of attention. If you repeatedly consume fear, the mirror will reflect fear. If you deliberately engage with creativity, wisdom, healing, and purpose, the digital environment around you begins to change. So is your algorithm reading your mind? Probably not in the supernatural way it appears, but it may know your patterns better than you realize. The algorithm is not your oracle. It is a mirror trained by your attention. If you do not like what the mirror is showing you, change what you are feeding it. Like, comment, and subscribe to Code of Ascension for more light code insights.